Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Noir Tease. This is the Sexy Little Things Scented Body Mist perfume, and this is from Victoria's Secret. And it just says body mist on the side, body mist on the side, and this is just the 75 milliliters, 2.5 fluid ounces. And the back just has like this on it. It's kind of like this little lace print. And the bottle comes with a pink cap, but mine right now is MIA, but it's just like a little pink cap that goes over it. So getting started about this product, guys, I honestly, wholeheartedly, I love this product so much. It's just honestly like one of those products where it's like you are like, okay, this is too expensive to be paying for this little bottle, but you're like, I want to give it a try. So I ended up giving this product a try. I love it. This is like my third bottle that I'm on right now. One of my favorite perfumes from the Victoria's Secret collection. And I don't know if you guys know, Victoria's Secret is a very pricey brand, so it's not the most affordable, but if you like have got an acquaintance to a product there, you guys understand how I feel. It's like, okay, you guys gotta keep going back and buying it. And that's how I feel about this. I love this product so much. How I got introduced to it was me and my sorority sisters were shopping, and they were like, hey Carm, didn't you say that you needed to get a perfume? And I was like, yeah, like I do, but I was like, I like don't know if I want to get my perfume from here. And I like the Victoria's Secret like bottle perfumes that they sell. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but they come in like the little circular bottles. I really love those, but I've never bought like one of their high-end perfumes before. So I wanted to start off with like a tiny one like this. So they were like, just get it, come on. And so I decided to get this one. And guys, when I tell you, like, I fell in love. Like, it came to the point where I didn't want to use any other perfume. Like, I only wanted to use this one. And so I was just like, you know what? I literally, like, this is going to be the death of me because I know I'm going to keep going back and getting this. I actually invested in a bigger version, like the bigger glass version. But this is just, I just want to tell you guys why it's so great. This is travel size. So I love spraying this before I like leave my house, but also like you never know when you're gonna like need to freshen up throughout the day, or like you just want to smell it again a little bit stronger. So I love carrying this with me. I take this with me on the plane. This is great for if you are flying. I love carrying this with me during class. It's easy to put in your purse, easy to put in your pocket. It fits in my hand, guys. Definitely travel size. One of my favorite things that I've ever purchased from Victoria's Secret has been this. The smell is so potent, and it's so like, it lasts too. Like, I could be working out and I'll still be able to smell it. That's how strong it is. And guys, it should be strong for how much money like you're usually spending on it. And that's my thing. Like, I always want to pay for my money's worth. So as long as I'm getting my money's worth of something, then I have no issue like spending the actual money on it. Another cool thing that I can say too is the way that they market the product is so cool. So the way that Victoria's Secret usually markets their products is really nice, and I feel like that's what keeps drawing people back in. But I love how this is like Noir Tease, and the way that they design the bottle is so like old fashioned and like lacy and pink, and like it's just so, it's such like a perfume that it's like you just like want to wear it. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's just like, okay, like you guys did such a good job marketing this product, and it also smells good too, so it's like you can't beat it. Like, it's such a good product. And then on top of that, It honestly too, guys, something else that I'm just now realizing too is like the font that they write everything in the writing. It's like so like a lot of it is in cursive, and it just gives off that like that noir, like it's just such a cool like vibe that this perfume gives off. And like I don't know if it's just because I love the perfume or not, but like guys, like one hands down, like if I could pick my favorite perfume, it would go to this. Something that I can say though is it goes quickly, and you don't need that many like spritzes of it. Like I would just say like a couple spritzes would do it justice. But I don't go overboard. I'll do like 3 or 4, but I used a whole bottle, I would want to say, in like 3 weeks. But this is just of the travel size bottle. My big glass bottle, I probably could go through that in like 3 months or 4 months. But this will become like one of your like household favorite perfumes if you're into like, and the smell that it kind of gives off is like this old fashioned like modern day young woman, businesswoman smell. And so I love wearing this when I go to the bar. I love wearing this when I can go to work. It's just an all-around perfume that like you can wear like to multiple occasions. And I love when people are like, oh, you know that's Carm because she smells like Noir Tease. And I'm like, okay guys. And I love the name of the perfume too, like Tease. Such a good take on a perfume and on a branding opportunity. But like I said, guys, this is the Victoria's Secret perfume, and it's not the most affordable perfume, like I said before, but you will be investing your money in a product that you will get your money's worth out of. And so that's what I feel like it always comes down to. And I just want to give you guys one last view of the bottle. And like I said, it does come with a pink cap, guys.